For our math activity today, we are going to be doing activity 3.2 in our math books, okay? Now this activity is all about numbers 1 to 7, okay? 1, where's 2? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, there's some other things on this paper too. What else do we see? We see some dice, some dominoes, and some frogs. It's our job to match the dice and the pictures with the right number, okay? It says, I can recognize, write, and count numbers 1 to 7. Now this is a big job, but we can do hard things and we can do it, right? Let's get started and open up our math workbook. So we have to open up our book just like we open any other book, like a storybook, and find our next open page. So we keep flipping pages one by one. This is so our work is organized and it goes in order. We don't want to find work in the middle of our book way back here. We want to go in order. So our last activity we did was number 6. And what comes after 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's the number we're going up to today. So our first job is going to be to cut out our title in the rectangle here where it says, I can recognize, write, and count numbers 1 to 7. Glue that in there. Perfect. Now we're ready to cut out the rest of our squares. So it's a big cutting job, but you can do it. Try your best to cut on the black line. See, I'm doing all my cutting this way first. Now I can cut all the way down this side. And look at that, they're already cut out in rows for me. That's a good trick, okay? There we go. Not quite done cutting. All of them need to be cut. Almost done. Cut, cut, and cut. Okay, now we have a big job to do. We have to organize all of our tiles, all of our squares. So I'm going to put my book up here for a minute so I have a little bit of space. So what number comes first? Number 1. So let's find number 1. And we're gonna put it right there, okay? Now, we need to find a dice or a picture that also has only 1, okay? So, let's see. Oh, look, here's a frog, and there's 1 frog. So, do you think 1 frog would go with number 1? You're right. There's number 1. What comes after 1? 2. Here's number 2. Can go under number 1. And we need to find a dice or a picture that has 2. 1, 2, 3. Not that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not that one. Look at this. How many frogs are there? 1, 2. Yes, we found it. Okay. 1, 2. What comes next? Number 3. Perfect. You put it underneath number 2. Now we need to find a dice. I think we already found a dice that had 3, didn't we? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's the one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is next. Now we need to find a dice or picture that has 4. That one said 5, remember? What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's too many. What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! We did it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is next. Now we need to find the dice that has 5. And we found it before, didn't we? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. What comes after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now which one is 6? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 1, 2 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that is 1 too many. We only want 6. So let's count our other dice. 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we found it. That means that 7 and 7 go together. Great job sorting. That was a really tough one. Now let's glue our pictures together in our notebook. Are you ready? Okay, let's double check our work to make sure we did it the right way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That looks great. Let's look at our pictures and our dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We did it. Amazing work, boys and girls.